What's up guys, we're here today to give you a complete overview of the most recognizable bike in our collection, the high performance SUPER73-RX. It comes in 3 different colors. First we have the olive drab, which is an exclusive EU colorway, which has this army green color all over the frame. Then we have the SUPER73 design carmine red with white and black details towards the back of the frame. And then finally we have the rhino grey with neon yellow and black details all over the bike. The SUPER73-RX comes with a light aluminum alloy frame, what makes the bike super lightweight, weighing about 31 kilograms without the battery. The bike is equipped with front and rear suspension with adjustable preload, rebound and compression damping. The bike is equipped with a 10-speed Shimano Z derailleur and a motor with a power output of 250 watt. What makes the bike street legal in any European city in mode 1. The motor has a 2000 watt peak power output in mode 4, what makes the bike go up to 50 kilometers an hour for off-road and private terrain riding. The SUPER73-RX comes with a 960 watt-hour lithium-ion battery, what makes the bike have a range of about 100 kilometers in mode 1. The battery is detachable and it comes with a 3 amp charger and gives the bike a charging time of 4 to 6 hours. The EU versions of the SUPER73-RX come with a 4-piston caliper Magura brake system from Germany. The bikes come with Badger tires, which are of course interchangeable with any of the other tires available on our website. The bike also comes with a plush cafe racer style seat, which is also interchangeable with a 2-person seat. The bike is equipped with a high output square LED headlight, as well as with a rear light with brake light. The bikes have a seat height of 81 centimeters and a weight limit of 150 kilograms. The RX has adjustable handlebars and can easily accommodate riders between 1.6 and 2 meters. On the handlebar itself you can find your gear shifters, in which you can swap your 10-speed gear system, as well as the digital diamond monochrome display, on which you can swap between different PAS levels. If you want to know more about the different PAS levels and riding modes, you can click the video right here where we explain you all about it. When ordering your bike through SUPER73, your bike comes with a 2-year warranty or 500 cycles for your battery, so make sure you register your bike through super73.com. As I mentioned before, the seats are interchangeable. You can swap between different tires, you can add an oar kit to your bike. There's unlimited options to customize your bike. You can get some inspiration from the Roland Sands design bike that we did last year, or Rahul Kohli's bike. You can also have a look at the community pages on Facebook, where you can find your inspiration to customize the bike and have some quick modifications to your SUPER73-RX. Whenever you're having issues with your SUPER73-RX or just have some general questions on the bike, feel free to reach out to our customer care team that is available 5 days a week by email, phone or chat. If you want to book a test ride for this bike, click the link under this video in which you can book your test ride at our HQ in Amsterdam. Scroll a bit further and you can find a link to book a test ride at a local dealer. Make sure to keep an eye on the SUPER73 socials, because soon we'll be organizing group rides again in different European cities. This was the model overview of the SUPER73-RX. I hope you guys liked it. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.